Hello and welcome to Talk Like a Friend. Today I want to talk about something that so many people feel deep inside. You can understand English, you can watch movies, you can listen to songs, you can read posts, and you get the meaning. But when it comes to speaking, your tongue feels heavy, your brain freezes, and words just don't come out. I know this feeling. It's frustrating. It feels like you're locked inside your head. You understand everything, but you can't express yourself. It's like standing at the door but not having the key. First, let me tell you this. You are not alone. Millions of people around the world feel exactly the same. They understand English, but they can't speak. And the good news is, this problem can be solved. I'm not here to give you a lecture. I want to share this like a friend, like a brother, like someone who has gone through it and found a way forward. Let's start this journey together. Topic: Why you understand but can't speak. Think about it. Since childhood, you have learned English in books, you have read grammar rules, you have written essays, you have answered exam questions. But speaking? Almost zero practice. It's like reading about swimming in a book. You may know all the strokes. You may understand how to move your arms and legs. But the moment you jump into water, you panic. Because reading is not the same as doing. The same with English. You learned how to understand, but you never practiced speaking. That's why there is a gap. Topic: The fear inside you. Another big reason is fear. Fear of making mistakes. Fear of being judged. Fear that people will laugh at you. Let me tell you something important. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. No child learns to walk without falling. No one learns to cycle without wobbling. How can you learn to speak without mistakes? In fact, mistakes make you better. Every time you make a mistake, your brain learns. If you stay silent, you never improve. Topic: A personal story. When I first tried to speak English, I was nervous. My sentences were broken, my grammar was wrong, and my pronunciation was funny. But I pushed myself. I talked to myself in front of the mirror. I recorded my voice. I repeated lines from movies. And slowly, I improved. That's why I know, if I can do it, you can do it. Next topic is practice time. I don't want this to be only motivation. Let's practice together. I will give you simple, daily sentences. Repeat after me. I will say each sentence twice so you can shadow me. Ready? I can speak English. I can speak English. I am learning every day. I am learning every day. I am not afraid of mistakes. I am not afraid of mistakes. English is my friend. English is my friend. I can improve step by step. I can improve step by step. Say them aloud. Don't just read. Move your tongue. Let your voice come out. Topic: Build the habit. The key is not one big effort. The key is small daily practice. Just like going to the gym. If you go once in a month, nothing changes. But if you go 20 minutes every day, your body transforms. So make a habit. 10 minutes of speaking practice every day. Talk to yourself. Describe what you're doing. For example, I am drinking water. I am drinking water. I am opening the door. I am opening the door. I am walking to the bus stop. I am walking to the bus stop. This way, English becomes part of your daily life. Topic: The mirror technique. Stand in front of a mirror. Look into your own eyes. Speak as if you're talking to a friend. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Nobody is watching. Try sentences like, "Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? I am feeling good. I am feeling good. I want to improve my English. I want to improve my English. I believe in myself. I believe in myself." When you see your face and hear your voice, your confidence grows. Topic: Input versus output. You already have enough input. You can understand English. Now you need output. Imagine a bottle filled with water. If you never pour it out, it just stays there. Your mind is full of English, but you must let it flow out of your mouth. Every day, push yourself to speak, even if it's only 2 sentences, even if you speak to the wall, even if you talk to your pet. The important thing is use your mouth, not only your mind. Topic: breaking the mental block. Many people understand English, but when it is time to speak, they feel a block in their mind. It is like the brain has words, but the mouth does not move. This is called a mental block. The first step is to accept that the block is normal. It happens to almost everyone who is learning to speak a new language. The second step is to remind yourself that you do not need perfect English. You only need to express your idea. Remember this truth. Communication is more important than perfection. Even if your grammar is not correct, people will understand you. Even if your accent is not perfect, people will understand you. The goal is connection, not perfection. Topic: daily self-talk method. One of the best ways to break the block is self-talk. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you see around you. Describe what you're doing. For example, I am sitting on a chair. I'm sitting on a chair. I'm reading a book. I'm reading a book. I'm holding my phone. I'm watching the sky. I'm watching the sky. When you talk to yourself, there is no fear. Nobody is judging you. You get free practice every day. This is like training your brain to think in English. Topic: shadowing technique. Shadowing means listening to a sentence and then repeating it immediately. This is very powerful. It helps with pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence. Take a short video or a podcast, or even the script. Play one sentence. Pause. Repeat the same sentence. Let's try together. This is my book. This is my book. I like to study English. I like to study English. I am speaking with confidence. I am speaking with confidence. Mistakes help me learn. Mistakes help me learn. Shadowing is like music practice. The more you copy, the more natural it becomes. After some weeks, you will feel your sentences flow more easily. Topic: the power of small conversations. Many learners wait until they are ready before speaking to others. But the truth is, you will never feel 100% ready. You must start small. You can begin with short conversations, just 1 line or 2 lines. For example, say hello to a shopkeeper, or ask your friend, "How are you?" Here are some practice lines. Hello? How are you? Hello? How are you? I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am going to the market. I am going to the market. Even these short talks build your confidence, and confidence grows only through action. Topic: record your voice. Another strong practice method is recording your voice. Take your phone, open the recorder, read a few sentences aloud. At first you may feel shy. You may feel your voice sounds strange, but do not stop. This is the way to improve. When you listen to your own voice, you notice mistakes. You notice where you pause too much. You notice which words are unclear. Then you can practice again. Over time, you will hear improvement. Here are some sentences to record. I want to practice every day. I want to practice every day. My English is getting better. My English is getting better. I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. Speaking English makes me happy. Speaking English makes me happy. Topic: thinking in English. One reason people cannot speak is because they think in their native language. Then they try to translate. But translation takes time, and by the time you translate, the conversation has moved forward. The solution is to think directly in English. How can you do this? Start with small words. Start with daily actions. For example, instead of thinking in your native language, say in your mind, I am hungry. I am thirsty. It is raining. The bus is coming. These small thoughts make English natural in your brain. Step by step, you will reduce translation, and speaking will become faster. Topic: celebrate small wins. Do not wait for big success to feel proud. Celebrate every small step. If you spoke one sentence today, celebrate. If you learned one new word today, celebrate. If you practiced for 5 minutes, celebrate. Every small step is progress. Progress is like climbing stairs. One step may look small, but together, they take you to the top. Tell yourself, I am improving. I am improving. I am moving forward. I am moving forward. I am doing my best. I am doing my best. I will not give up. I will not give up.